Your windows play a major role in the comfort, appearance, and efficiency of your Fort Lauderdale home. Between the Florida heat, year-round sun exposure, and occasional tropical storms, your windows take on more stress than in most other regions. Knowing when it's time for window replacement can save you money, improve your home's safety, and boost curb appeal. Here are the top signs it may be time to upgrade. Your energy bills keep rising. Fort Lauderdale's warm climate means your HVAC system works overtime, especially during the summer. If your cooling bills continue to climb, even when your usage hasn't changed, your windows could be the culprit. Older or damaged windows allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your AC unit to run longer. Modern replacement windows come with advanced insulation, low-E glass, and tighter seals that help keep your home cooler and reduce monthly energy costs. You feel drafts or hot spots indoors. If certain rooms feel warmer than others, or you notice drafts around your windows, it's a clear sign that the seals have failed or the frames have warped. In humid environments like Fort Lauderdale, older window materials can expand, contract, or deteriorate over time. Replacing your windows ensures consistent indoor temperatures and a more comfortable living environment. Your windows show visible damage. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, rusted hardware, or moisture trapped between panes indicate that your windows are failing. Even small cracks can worsen quickly due to Florida's intense sun and heat. Damaged windows are not only unsightly, they pose safety risks and leave your home vulnerable to insects, water intrusion, and mold growth. New windows restore both the beauty and protection your home deserves. You struggle to open or close your windows. Windows that stick, jam, or require extra effort to open and close often signal internal damage or frame warping. Coastal humidity and salt in the air can accelerate corrosion on older window tracks and hardware. Smooth, easy operation is essential, not just for convenience, but also for safety in case of emergencies. A window replacement ensures your home has properly functioning windows you can rely on. Exterior noise seems louder than before. Do you hear car traffic, neighborhood activity, or aircraft sound more than you used to? If outside noise is becoming a nuisance, your current windows may have lost their insulating ability. Modern replacement windows use dual pane or laminated glass that blocks sound, making your home a calmer, more peaceful place. Foggy windows or condensation between panes. Condensation forming inside double pane windows means the seal is broken and moisture has entered between the glass layers. Once this happens, the window's insulating properties drop dramatically, and the foggy appearance can't be wiped away. Replacing these windows is the only long-term solution to restore clarity and efficiency. Your home still has original or outdated windows. If your home is older and still has its original windows, there's a good chance they're not meeting today's standards for energy efficiency, safety, or storm preparedness. Many Fort Lauderdale homeowners upgrade to impact-resistant windows for increased hurricane protection and insurance benefits. Replacing outdated windows also helps modernize your home's style and value. You want to improve your home's curb appeal. Windows affect the entire look of your home. Faded frames, outdated designs, or mismatched materials can age your property. Replacing your windows with modern, stylish options instantly enhances exterior appearance and can increase resale value, especially in a competitive South Florida market. Upgrade your Fort Lauderdale home with confidence. Recognizing these signs early helps you avoid bigger issues later. Whether you're dealing with rising energy costs, drafty rooms, or windows that simply don't look good anymore, a professional window replacement can dramatically improve your home's comfort, beauty, and protection.